All right, so things are finally happening again. The shop slowed down just a little bit, with all the coronavirus stuff. So we do finally have some time to work on our projects again. This video is not going to be the most exciting of the videos. This one is mostly going to be a lot of prep work. We are going to be prepping the engine bay, getting it ready for the engine to go into it. We are going to be filling a couple rust holes, grinding some out, hitting a couple rust spots. This is by no means all of the rust or body work that we're going to have to do, but it is, one of the initial ones. Start knocking it out. Make sure that we're attacking this thing from the right angle. we have decided that the color scheme is going to be a yellow and green, pretty aggressive ones, kind of a lemon and lime. Therefore, we have narrowed down the names. So, we have decided that henceforth, the Fastback Celica will be called Squirt. Okay, so we do recognize that some of the angles on here are not as good or as well lit as we would hope for, and I do apologize for that, guys. We are getting our better equipment back soon. We are going to be able to get better angles, better filming in general, better editing, hopefully, as long as I keep getting better. But stick with us, guys. Definitely keep coming along for the ride. The projects are rolling along smoothly now, so make sure to subscribe, follow along. The next video should be us stabbing the engine, and if we're lucky, seeing if we can fire it off. Really, it's getting exciting at this point.